All right, let's do another example of subtraction with regrouping. So this time we are going to take, I always write 16 and then I change my mind. Let's make it a 36. Oh, and I'm gonna write it smaller as well. This is why we write in pencil or whiteboard marker. Math requires us to be able to erase for sure. Takeaway, what should we do? Well, we want to practice regrouping. So I'm going to make a bigger number on the bottom, and we will let's just put a nice 1 here. All right. So first step, always, we're going to go ahead and we're going to circle our 1s. I like to circle my 1s in my 10s column because it helps me keep myself organized. Then I know that I only have to focus on what's going on inside my green circle here. All right, this is our moment where we now have to decide, do we need to regroup? Do we need to go next door and borrow? Well, let's find out. We have a 6 and a 9. Our 6 is on top. Is 6 bigger or smaller than 9? 6 is smaller. So we will need to regroup. All right, so to regroup, it means that we need to go next door, bloop, over to our 3, who's actually a 30. We're gonna cross them out, goodbye. And our 3 is now gonna get a downgrade to a 2. Or a 20, because he is in the 10s column. Now we have this lovely group of 10 that we've stole from our 3. We're going to add him on to 6. 6 plus 10 gives us that 16. So goodbye 6, you've now been upgraded to 16. So basically what we're doing is we're taking 1 away and putting the 1 in front of our number in the 1s column here. As you practice, it will make a little more sense as well. But again, this number, 2 10s plus 16 1s, is still 36. We've just kind of rearranged the way the number has been written. Now we can go ahead and begin doing the subtraction. 16, well, 16 is now bigger than 9, so we're good to go ahead and we're going to subtract. So for this one, maybe I'll draw a picture. All right, I have 16. Now I'm gonna cross out 9. 9. All right, what do I have left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 16 minus 9 is 7. All right, where do I go next? I'm gonna head over to my 10s column now. We're gonna go ahead and circle. All right, let's decide if we need to regroup or not. We have a 2 on top and a 1 on the bottom. Well, we know that 2 is bigger than 1, so no regrouping. And you don't have to write regroup or no regroup. I'm just writing this for the simplicity of the lesson. 2 minus 1, that's a mental math question. We can do that in our head. That leaves us with 1. So in total, 36 minus 19 equals 17.